Hey, this is Jeff from Task AGI. This process used to take hours. Now it's automated with Task AGI AI agents. Let me show you how.
Building backlinks is crucial for SEO, but manual outreach is painfully slow. You have to find prospects, visit their websites, fill out contact forms one by one, and then follow up via email. It takes hours to reach just a handful of sites. This AI agent changes that completely. It takes a list of websites from your Google Sheets and automatically handles the entire outreach process for you. The agent visits each site, finds the contact form, fills it out intelligently, and sends follow-up emails through Outlook. All while you focus on other things. Here's how it actually works. The agent starts by reading your prospect list from Google Sheets. You just need columns for website URLs and any custom message details you want to include. Then it fires up browser automation to visit each website on your list. The AI navigates the page just like a human would, locates the contact or submission form, and intelligently fills in all the fields with your outreach message. It adapts to different form layouts automatically, so it works across thousands of different websites without any manual configuration. After submitting each form, the agent logs the result back to your spreadsheet so you can track which sites you've contacted. Then it triggers a follow-up email through Outlook a few days later if you want. The whole process loops through your entire list without any intervention from you. You can process 100 leads in the time it used to take to do 5 manually. Setup takes about 5 minutes. You connect your Google Sheets account, set up browser automation, link your Outlook, and you're ready to go. Over 200 people have already deployed this agent and are seeing real results. If you need help getting started, our team will set it up for you completely free. Stop wasting time on manual outreach and let AI handle it for you.